Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the link is actually a file URL and not a web page. Open your browser or downloader and set the destination folder so you don't lose the file. Once done, attempt a quick head request or check the link's extension to confirm file type. This prevents wasting time. Make sure your network and permissions allow writing to the chosen folder. If the link requires authentication, have credentials or tokens ready before proceeding to the download step. You now perform the actual retrieval using the tool you picked. For a direct fetch, run curl or wget with proper headers and output to write to file. This preserves file names and avoids loading into memory. If the link requires login, pass cookies, or an authorization header to maintain access. Once the transfer begins, monitor progress and checksum where possible to verify integrity. If the resource is chunked or compressed, instruct your tool to decompress or reassemble. You finish by validating the saved file. Inspect its size, MIME type, and attempt to open it with the expected application. Make sure file permissions are correct, and if available, compare checksums to ensure integrity. Once confirmed, move or rename according to your workflow and clean up any temporary files or credentials you used. If something goes wrong, like truncated data, resume the download or try a different mirror. If authentication fails, refresh tokens and repeat the fetch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.